I don't know. He only does what he wants to do. Makes it tough to take him anywhere. Okay, I hear something now. Are you ready to go? Because I think there's something over there. Hey? Hear it? Let's go. You can hear it knocking. Let's go back where your dad is. Okay, come on. Head towards Daddy because I think there's an animal over there. Okay? Or a bird or something. Dad probably found a good spot. Of course he did. Runs away from the animals. Oh, someone left the garbage here. Sick. Look at all this low. Pretty, right? Did you find some good stuff? There was something making noise on that rock over there, so. And there's Wolf like digging right in the bear den. Did you find any big ones?
Yeah, I did. I found one big one.
Kill them? Oh, don't answer me? What's this? Dude, that is a very cool piece of sandstone. Or it's feldspar. It feels like feldspar has been busted apart. Has someone been down here busting things apart? I think I was like, look at all this too. Why is this all busted apart? This is busted apart. This is busted apart. This is busted apart. That's weird, isn't it? That's busted apart. So like I was saying, like if you waited and you didn't come down here like this year, the water will come and take all this away, and then does that come off this? Yeah, dude, it might have. Yeah, dude, it might have. Look at them all. Nice. Well, I don't know. It might just be straight up. Could just be straight up pyrite. And those tiny little chunks, but that's kind of cool. Okay, honey, stay away from the bush. Oh, I just feel like I kind of got jacked today, didn't I? Kind of. Look, somebody built a fish pool here. Probably a nice spot for fish. Oh, that's nice. That's a good one. A very good one. It just seems like we're fooling without us. Damn it.